Chandrayaan 2 AI India's journey in science and technology. India's journey in science and technology is a story of vision, effort, and innovation from a nation with limited resources. India has grown into a global player in advanced research over years. The country has achieved milestones in space, medicine, and digital technology, proving that determination can turn dreams into reality. Space exploration. The Chandrayaan missions marked a turning point. Chandrayaan 1 in 2008 years discovered water on the moon in 2023. Chandrayaan 3 made India the first nation to land successfully near the moon's south pole, making the world take notice. Technology and digital growth. India's industry, medical research, and agriculture have developed rapidly. Digital India connected millions, making technology accessible to rural areas.